Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to unblock someone on Facebook using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and log in your account. Now, click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on that and click on Settings. So now, click on Profile Settings. And here you can see the blocking section. So just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see that I have someone that is blocked on my account. So to unblock that user, you want to click on Unblock button at the right side of it. And if you're sure about that, you can now click on Unblock. But you have to wait 48 hours if you want to block that user again. So that's it. That is how you unblock someone on Facebook using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.